insane. Oh, it's a shame. Storytelling when I can come in. Oh, don't miss troglodyte. One more time, my insistence. I swear I mean no offense, but you better learn to read. It's all about membership. Telling for the young and old, ugly girls and boys. I put you on my list to make you clap to this. Man, I just a nigga trim, but only one can win. And soon you say that's him. DVNO for capital letters printed in gold, cause details make the girls sweat even more while they shaking their belt. No need to ask my name to figure out how cool I am. DVNO for capital letters printed in gold, cause details make the girls sweat even more while they shaking their belt. No need to ask my name to figure out how cool I am. Can anyone read, anyone feel that I'm losing my patience? I just came here to bounce. Ladies out waxed, they all know I'm coming. I'm losing my patience, I just came here to bounce. Baby, for capital letters printed in gold, cause details make girls sweat even more while they shaking their belt. No need to ask my name to figure out how cool I am. Baby, for capital letters printed in gold, cause details make girls sweat even more while they shaking their belt. No need to ask my name to figure out how cool I am. Can anyone read, anyone feel that I'm losing my patience? I just came here to bounce. Ladies out waxed, they all know I'm coming. I'm losing my patience, I just came here to bounce. DVNO